So I'm bringing the gas saw just as a backup. I got the Milwaukee, which I really like. I got 2 fully charged batteries, so we're gonna see how long that's gonna last. Right, it's a muddy mess here, but since it's supposed to be 47, I'm gonna go back towards that mobile home and start knocking trees down with the chainsaw. I'm gonna try out the Milwaukee. I got a couple batteries for it. We'll see how it goes. All right, so visualize this, a nice new opening and a little field clearing in here in a few days. So I'm just starting pulling the inner ones, I guess, if you will, towards the middle. Now we're going to work our way back towards the mobile home a little more. And I'm leaving the stumps, of course, for the excavator, so it's easier to yank them out. This is going to be a nice little clearing right here. It's going to be a real nice little opening. Nice and quiet. Like being on patrols, man, back in the Corps. Well, as usual, you got to make a mess to clean up a mess. It's going to be fun, but man, it is so wet out there where it's all muck. We got rain all day yesterday, so I'm not bringing the excavator probably till 2 more days maybe. I got it back from the shop, so it's ready to go. But hey, we got some fresh air at least. Not getting a huge amount done, but this is going to be a really nice road when we get to it. Red Bull and amino acids, and away we go. So that might be it for me. Back is starting to lock up, but let me show you the road here that I'm going to continue. So we're next to the mobile home, way out in the woods, and this is like a pond dam here, even though it's on the wrong end of the pond. We figured out, you know, he was trying to stop this creek from overflowing, but you can see his dam curves around here. So far, this is a nice road right here that we're walking on. And then I'm going to continue it into the woods there. You know, once you get to that next down tree, that's when you're going to need excavation. There's a big moat in between there. So, I mean, you can cross it, but it's going to be wet there in the bottom. But we'll see when we get there. But until then, that's the plans. Got some pinch ice on the pond, but hey, we got a little fresh air. It's a little breezy, but can't complain because a lot of you guys have a foot of snow on the ground. We'll come back and finish this up in the next couple days, unless we get more rain. Someone asked about the Dino Hoe. Let's get an update on it and see where they're at. I see they got this tire off on this side. So I think my best guess without talking to them is they're kind of using that spindle to try and either replicate one or find. I know they found off like a truck, one of them that was almost close enough to grind it down. But that's my best guess because that other side is where the spindle's busted. Let's go look over there. I don't remember what it looked like before, but I guess it's not totally busted. Either that or they put a new one on. Look at this. That might be a new. Look at the color of it. Huh. I wonder if that's a new spindle. We'll have to go back in an old video and look. So here's an older video of when they started it and ran the hydraulics. It looks to be the same spindle to me. So I'm not sure if the end of the spindle is broke or what the issue is, or if they happen to replace it before I got around to it. So fingers crossed I'll get this thing going soon. If it is, then they're not too far from driving this thing out of here. I wonder if they found one or not. We'll find out.